What if I told you there was a way to eliminate your clutter in 5 minutes or less? Today, on day 9 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to tackle a room rescue. A room rescue is where you set a 5-minute timer, go into a room, and start working around that room, tackling any clutter you come across. For this kind of exercise, it is good to have a box, a bag, and a basket so that you can put, donate, throwaways, and put away. Sometimes I like to have 2 bins if the room is particularly cluttered, because that way one bin would be for things that would stay in that room, whereas the other bin would be for things that get to be put away throughout the home. So for today's challenge, go ahead and grab you a bag, a box, and a basket or a hamper, whatever you have at hand. Get into the room that has been bothering you the most. Start at the doorway, set a 5-minute timer, and go around. We gotta make quick decisions here. If you haven't used something in the past 6 to 12 months, then go ahead and bless somebody else with it. And also, if you see that something is broken or not the very best, then go ahead and recycle those appropriately. When we have less mess, we also have less stress. So do not forget to do this challenge. It is super duper important. When I first started, 5 minutes would make somewhat of a difference, but these days 5 minutes gets me almost all around my home. To be fair, I don't have a particularly large home to begin with, but you can see where I started versus where I'm at.
So at this point in my FlyLady journey, I don't really have much of a room to rescue, praise be to God, but I did decide to join along in this challenge, so I did the playroom. With this one, I just set a 5-minute timer, and I was able to get a basket and collect everything in there before separating it into its appropriate location. Usually the boys love tidying up this area, but like I said, for the purposes of this video, I just wanted to join along. It was mainly magnets and their water bottles and stuff like that. So it was really quick to do. If you do have more time in your timer, feel free to go around other areas in your home. I do suggest though starting with the area that is bothering you the most. Don't worry if you don't get so far. In the very beginning when you couldn't see my floors, it would make a small dent, but not much. Just you wait till later on in the challenge. I will show you a trick that is going to get you there and more. I place everything that goes back into this room in this room, and the rest I will take it out in the basket to the room where it belongs. Once the timer is done, you're all done. If you don't finish, don't worry, tomorrow's another day.
I hope you got your free printables yesterday. If you didn't, I will link them again down below. And yesterday, I had a super new bundle come out, a 40-page mega bundle. And yesterday was only $5. But as you know, I'm a frugal girly, so I kept it today for $7. But go ahead and get it today, because tomorrow it will be going up to the original price of $10. And if your budget allows, that's still a super huge deal, because it is 40 pages of super duper productivity pages, tips, challenges, printables, like you name it, everything is on that workbook. So go ahead and check out the link down below if you're interested in that. Once you're done with today's challenge, don't forget to comment done for your chance to win. And I'll see you tomorrow on day 10 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.